ಸೋಲಿನ ಸುಳಿಯಿಂದ ಪಾರಾದ ಕಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೋಲಿನ ಸುಳಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಜ್ವರ ಜ್ವರ ಜ್ವರ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತು ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಪಂಜಾಬ್ದವರು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುರುಪಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು. ಬಟ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಕಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್. ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ವೈ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮೆಂಟೇಟರ್ ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕರೆಯೋಣ. ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಫಾರ್ RCB ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಡಸ್ RCB ನೀಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮೀ. ಸರ್, ಹಲೋ ಸರ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಜ್ವರ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸರ್, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚು ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ beaten Punjab in all formats.
Correct.
So, where do you think, sir, Punjab is again and again it's failing? Is not up to the mark.
Well, the batting mainly depends on KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal.
Right.
So, if you see yesterday, Rahul got out early, and after that they lost the momentum totally. So they couldn't build that inning partnership, and they kept losing wicket on regular intervals, and that didn't help the cause of the team.
Correct.
And at the last, I think Chris Jordan came and he
just
three sixes. Just got to some total, manageable total which their bowlers can bowl on.
Correct.
But still, they have to do a lot of homework.
And always again I ask one question: why Malan is sitting? He's a number one T20 player, and it's already 5 matches now.
That's right. Yeah.
The Pooran is not playing well. Maybe some or the other they should find out one place for Malan.
Correct.
And it will have a good strength in the batting.
That's right. That remains a mystery why they are not taking him to the world number 1 batsman. But still, he doesn't find a place in 11 of Punjab Kings.
That is I don't agree.
Beyond my imagination.
Correct.
That's right.
And what role normally we see that Rahul never plays in Narendra Modi Stadium.
Yeah, that's a joke.
So when we saw in England series also.
Yes.
So again he proved. Jokes apart, but Rahul, wherever there is an important match, he doesn't play well.
Yeah.
And we should give credit to KKR bowlers.
Absolutely.
Like Prasidha Krishna, he took 3 wickets.
Yes.
And Pat Cummins also came into play yesterday. Yes.
So the wicket was very good. The first innings, it was bouncing, and this had Pat Cummins, particularly Prasidha Krishna. And somewhere I felt like the Punjab Kings didn't also help their cause by playing some really bad shots. Yeah. So if you see Agarwal,
he was playing so well. Agarwal has playing so well here. He would have stayed for another another 5-6 overs.
That's right.
And at least the score should have reached some competitive level.
Deepak Huda, and they just shot.
Deepak Huda played one match and again.
So they were not at all any good shot. So they just gifted their wickets to the opponent.
Because they should be very sensible, because it's an important tournament like IPL.
Yes.
And one thing I saw is that yesterday's match, RCB lost last match.
Yes.
and then Kings 11 Punjab also lost. So normally people tell, we saw in the social media that people tell that Punjab Kings is a RCB's B team.
Yeah.
They lost, they also lost.
Well,
Previous match when RCB won by 10 wickets, Kings 11 Punjab also won by 9 wickets, the previous match. The RCB lost, today also they lost. So they are following RCB.
Yeah, but what happened is in RCB case, RCB lost to only one man, that's Ravindra Jadeja.
Correct. Due to
So
Ravindra
yeah, so if you see till 19th over, they were like
almost, it was a very good.
and then Jadeja changed the course of the game, and then he came to ball and he changed everything. So I felt like it was one person beating the entire RCB team.
Correct. No, I just
Yes, it's correct. Yeah.
because Rahul is from Karnataka, that mentor, the head coach Anil Kumble is from Karnataka. They normally tell in social media tells that the Kings of Punjab is RCB's B team.
Yeah, no, it's looking like that.
This one.
Yeah.
So outright, KKR also when they batted, they started sensibly. Ewan Morgan is coming into play.
Correct.
He sensed the situation and he played a captain's role.
Yeah.
He made sure that KKR win comfortably.
Okay, so good thing for KKR now is Morgan found his form and he played well. So that's like that was a missing block which was filled now.
Yes, KKR also lost some early wickets as I was mentioning.
Yes.
But the later part, even though they lost early wickets, the batsman.
Yeah. So the target was not big once again.
Correct.
They had target in mind, so they played accordingly.
They have a strong lineup also.
Yes, that's right. So they can bat like. I think Dinesh Karthik comes in of 6 down or 5 down or 6 down. So they have a good batting line.
Comfortably, they have.
That's right.
And the most important is Pat Cummins again come to form. Siddha Krishna is taking wickets.
Yeah, that's right.
And if you see the current IPL, what I am saying, the uncapped players like Shivam Mavi, Siddha Krishna, and Devdutt Padikkal, and lot of other young players who are from India. So they are actually proving their.
Yeah, that's right. So this is good.
Shahbaz Ahmed played one match, one or two matches.
And Shah Rukh Khan
again is playing. The young talent has shown they're capable now. This
the
IPL.
future looks good, very bright for Indian cricket. So this is very good news.
Right.
So hopefully they can build on the chances they will.
Then Sakari also, I saw
Yeah,
you mentioned that Sakari also. What I'm telling is that the entire the younger generation, the next generation, have proved that they are capable, handling any kind of situation,
That's
kind of match.
Because they play IPL every year and they play with most international cricketers. So now they have started, learning the way the pressure is handled,
Correct.
the tactic changes.
Correct.
So they learn early, so which is good.
Correct. They get to have interaction with the senior players.
That's right. Yeah.
Get some important tips and all.
Yeah. So IPL has done really a lot of good for Indian cricket.
Correct. So when we talk about today's match, again Delhi coming to Ahmedabad now,
Yes.
and Bangalore is also going to Ahmedabad now.
Yeah.
And Delhi has a win, and Bangalore is coming with a loss.
Yes.
So what do you feel for today's match?
Well, it should be a good game. RCB should, keep that winning momentum. Last match was unfortunate.
Correct.
They
It
lost.
was unfortunate.
But still, no, they should go with the same confidence, the way they played in the first 3 T20s, and try to, make a good score. Whatever, so batting first, try to make a good score,
Correct.
and then restrict the Delhi Capitals team. Or if they bat second, they should ball and try to take early wickets.
Do you see any changes like instead of Daniel Christian, Sams or Finn Allen should make into the squad now?
Well, very very tough to say, but then looking at the pitch, they might take a decision. So really can't tell how the pitch will be. So
Not much seen from the Daniel Christian.
Yes.
He was a note for the earlier match, but earlier matches also through the ball also is not proved himself.
That's right, yeah.
To be in playing 11.
So maybe they might take a decision after seeing how the pitch
behaves and toss.
Yes, the toss becomes into factor.
So your bet today?
Well, it's 50-50, but still I'll go with RCB.
Oh, that's been good. Good, good. So Surendra is telling that today RCB will win, and I'm obviously a big fan of RCB. So RCB is fan wearing the red jersey today also. So let's see and who wins for today. We will come up with the next edition of post-match analysis tomorrow. Till then, please support, watch, and subscribe. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಜ್ವರ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
Oh